सब्ज़ गुंबद के मकीन अस्सलाम सब्ज़ गुंबद के मकीन।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम यार साउज़ बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Today I am describing the 7 devils that are creating problems of different kinds for human being, and people's faces difficulties because of them. They are evils, they are devils, they are genies, and according to spirituality. If you are giving remedies, then you can free from their negativity, negative rays or problems. And here I describe the problems and the methods how we can do. If you are doing any remedies from ago, from today you are doing remedies ago, but you have no any benefit, then you think that you are not doing a correct remedy, because remedy is that which comforts same time. If remedy is wrong, it is just like that you are fueling the fire. But if you are doing correct remedy, you will be feel comfort and release your negativity. So I am here describing their uh, names and their problems. First is eagle. This devil or evil, it rides on eagle, and its remedy is it creates hardship creates hardships and negativity problems. Now I am writing here remedy. Remedy is a feed flesh to eagle on Saturday. You will be free from disputes. You will be free from disputes and free from hardships. Spider. This type of evil, this type of evil creates court cases. People faces the court problems. So if anyone who wants to free from this problem, he will go to zoo or and feed the elephant sugarcane banana. So remedy is remedy remedy feed sugarcane banana to elephant on Thursday. And third is a goose rider. This type of evil creates problem in skills. Skill man loses their skills, faces problems, very hard hardships. If anyone who want to lose their problems, then feed the goose bird on Thursday or on Friday. If there are not gooses, then he will feed the ducks then his skills will come back and he will be proved himself in companies, in their offices, very skillful man and very brilliant and genius man. Fourth is peacock rider. This type of evil creates enmity. People's doing enmity, people's becomes enemy of this person because of this evil peacock rider evil. If anyone want to lose this enmity, then he will feed the feed peacock or cock on Saturday or on Tuesday. This is the remedy of fourth devil, peacock rider evil. Number 5 is cow or ox rider. This type of devil or evil creates problem to get knowledge or and education. Knowledge and education. If anyone wants to free from this problem, he want to continue their knowledge, their college, their school, their university, then he will feed feed to cow meal, grains, wheat, bread that can ox or cow eat, and green grass on Friday. The day will be Friday, and you will get knowledge and education. Number 6 is dog. Dog rider. Dog rider creates problems. Feed meal or meat on Saturday and Tuesday. Seventh is a horse rider. This type of this type of event creates badness and problems. Feed to horse on Thursday and you will be free from badness. If anyone who is facing if anyone who is facing anyone who is facing problems of ghost, genie or black magic, ghost, genie or black magic, feed meat to lion on Sunday or on Tuesday. If there is not lion, then you can feed to dogs. The all black magic effects and ghost problems will be removed. If there is not lion, then you will feed the dogs. Spiritual diseases. Spiritual diseases. Now, how you will choose that which remedy is especially for you? Write your name. Write your name in Arabic or Urdu and make the names, the 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 numbers, and add them. After them, divide by 8. Your number which remains 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 7 or 8, it's your special evil problem, and you will do the special remedy, such as I am take. You have to take the numbers in Arabic, not in English. English table will be not work in this way, because this is from Ilmul Jafar. So suppose any man whose number is 221, name and his number 221, if we are adding here mother's name, then add yeah, then this is total numbers. Arabic or Urdu. Then divide it to 8. Now I am dividing here to 8. This is here is this is the number nominator, left number is 1. Then this person here to give the remedy of first evil. I have described the first evil. I have described the first evil. The first evil is eagle rider. Then man do his remedy, feed the eagle. And eagle eats flesh, meat, and this will be their special remedy. If anyone does not know their remedy and he is facing problems to choose the special remedies, then he can ask on my WhatsApp number, and I will tell him the as a remedy. He will tell their name, and he should tell the name and his mother's name in written, not in voice. So I hope you will get benefit from this video. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.